Hello and welcome to a quick step-by-step tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to refer a friend and share the saving points. Great, let's start now. Please go to my dashboard and click on the business account link on the left panel. Now fill in the form fields with your friend details and the amount you would like to transfer. You can also write a personalized message to your referral. Now submit the form, and an invitation email from Bzzworld Travel will be sent to your friend. This email contains a personal message from you and the activation code. Your friend can click the redeem button from your email. Then he can use the activation code to register as a preferred customer. After being redirected to the login page, please select the register option. Now you can fill in the form with all the required fields. Then, paste in the activation code from the email. You can now read the terms and conditions, and, when you are ready, tick the box to agree with it. Finally, click Register Now. A notification prompt will appear on top of the screen, confirming that the registration process was successful. And that's it. Your friend can now enjoy the saving as your preferred customer for a validity of 12 months. Your friend can also purchase more saving by going to the preferred customer homepage, clicking My Dashboard and selecting Buy Top Up under the Manage section. From here, he can select between all the available plans. Your preferred customer will be shown in your business account dashboard. From here, you can view a list of referrals invitation you have already sent, whether the referral has registered as your preferred customer, or if it is still pending. If you don't receive feedback from your referral, you can send them a reminder message. The reminder also contains your personal message and the activation code. You can also transfer additional savings to your registered friend from your distributor dashboard. Click the Transfer Savings link on the left panel to get to the page that contains all your registered preferred customers. Now choose the person you would like to send additional saving points to. Click the Transfer Savings link next to the email. Enter the amount to transfer and click Submit. Your business account balance will be updated accordingly. Your preferred customer will receive an email notification for the transfer. That's great. This completes today's tutorial. By now you should be able to share the savings with your friends. Start your wonderful journeys with Bzzworld Travel today.